Konnichiwa minna-san, yokoso. Welcome back to Shinyuu Sensei channel. I am your Shinyuu Sensei and today we are going to learn mame, memo and how to remember them very easily using simple mnemonics and remembering techniques. それでは始めましょう。So today's objectives are, we are going to recognize and write the hiragana characters mame, memo. We are going to learn how to pronounce these characters correctly. We will be able to identify common Japanese words using these characters. Also, by doing all of this and practicing together, we are going to feel more confident in our hiragana journey. The first hiragana character we are going to learn today is ma. The character name is ma. The Romaji sound is ma. Let's write together. You can remember it by imagining a man with a magical staff or a man fishing with a magical hook. This looks like a fish which has just been stuck with a hook, a fishing hook. Example words are mame, bean, mae, front or before, manga, comic book. Let's renshu some example sentence. Mame beans tabemasu, eat. Mame o tabemasu, I eat beans. Mae, forward. Susumimasu, move. Mae ni susumimasu, I move forward. Next hiragana character is mi. The Romaji sound is mi, mi. Let's write together. The mnemonics are, it looks like a missing mirror or a missing number 3. How do we write 3? This, okay, or we can write this. So this character looks like 3 with an extra step. Like this I can do, this is the extra step, and without going here, I'm just writing the line here. So this looks like a 3 with some extra steps. Some example words are michi, road, mizu, water, mimi, ear. Let's arrange some example sentence. Michi, road, arukimasu, walk. Michi o arukimasu, I walk on the road. Mizu, water, nomimasu, drink. So mizu o nomimasu, I drink water. Next hiragana character is mu. The character name is mu. The Romaji sound is mu, mu. Let's write together. The mnemonics are, looks like a mustache or a cow saying mu. Let's focus on the mustache. If I want to draw a person with a mustache, I can write like this, right? So if I want to do this, I can also do this. So that's why this is a very funny character. I remember it in this funny way, that it looks like a mustache is painting in a very weird way. Some example words are mushi, insect, musume, daughter, mukashi, old times or long ago. Let's study some example sentence. Mushi, insect, imasu, there is. So mushi ga imasu, there is an insect. Mukashi, old, hanashi, story. Mukashi no hanashi desu, it's an old story. The next hiragana character is me. Romaji sound is me, me. Let's write together. The mnemonics are, it looks like an eye or a meowing cat's face. So how do we write an eye? We write like this. Right? So this looks like the eye like this, or also this me or men is used as noodles. So you can imagine like 2 chopsticks and one of the chopstick is circling a piece of noodles. Let's study some example words and sentences. Me, I, megane, glasses, meishi, business card. Let's study some example sentence. Me eyes akai red. Me ga akai desu. My eyes are red. Megane glasses kakemasu wear. So megane o kakemasu. I wear glasses. The last hiragana character is mo. The character name is mo. The Romaji sound is mo. And this is a very interesting hiragana character to me because I feel like it looks like a very icky insect, you know, with so many tiny little legs. And our mnemonics is also very funny. It looks like a fishing hook with more than one worms. Like, let's write it together and then we will explain the character. Example words are momo, peach, moshi, if or hello. On phone you can say moshi moshi, or moshi you can use it also as if, like moshi nani nani attara nani nani shio, like that. Like if something happens like this, then let's do that like that. So we are going to learn more about it in our upcoming grammar videos, so stay tuned and subscribe our channel. And the next word is mono, thing or object. So sentences are momo ga suki desu. I like peaches. Momo, peaches, suki desu, like. So momo ga suki desu. I like peaches. Moshi moshi, moshi moshi, hello, hello on the phone. So about momo, there is also an interesting fact that momo-chan is a very common, or you could say like very famous name in Japanese society. Momo-chan is a girly name, but it also can be used for pets. Some of my students have, two of my students have two pets. They are separate. They are like, they live in separate houses, but both of them has a pet named Momo-chan. So you cannot call, so when I say Momo, singularly it feels weird to me, so whenever I see peach I say momo-chan. Yeah, so a little tidbit. Let's quickly review all the characters that we have learned today. Character ma, Romaji sound ma. Mnemonic hints are man with a staff. Character mi, Romaji sound mi. Mnemonic hints are missing mirror. Character mu, Romaji mu. Mnemonic hints are mustache or cow. Character me, Romaji me. The mnemonic hint is eye or a cat's face. Character mo, Romaji mo. Mnemonic hint is a fishing hook with more worms. Okay, so it's time for our interactive quiz. Let's start together. Which hiragana character is ma? Answer is number C, ma. What is the Romaji for this character? The answer is C, me. The Romaji for this character is me. Which word means water? Answer is B, mizu. Let's quickly rinchu shimashou. Mame is bean, momo is peach, me is eye. So our correct answer is mizu, water. Question 4. Which hiragana character is mu? The answer is C, mu. Last question of today. What does this character mean? The answer is eye, me. So me means eye. That's why we have megane is eyeglasses. Thank you so much everybody for your efforts today. You have done a fantastic job today. I'm really proud of you. Let's keep practicing and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Also please support us by liking, commenting and sharing our videos with your friends or Japanese language nerds. Thank you so much for your support. Mata ne.